Please subscribe this channel to improve yours and your kids' English accent and pronunciation along with knowledge.
10 Best Ways to Improve Laptop Performance. 1. Increase free space in local disk C. Right-click on C drive and select Resize/Move. Drag the system partition end into unallocated space, so to add space to C drive and click OK. 2. Delete temp files. Enter %temp% from search/run and delete what's in there. Also empty the recycle bin. 3. Uninstall unnecessary software. Uninstalling programs and apps that you do not use is that you will have more hard drive space and your remaining programs will run faster. Any software that is out of date or not being used should be completely removed from the computer device. 4. Run defragmentation. Regularly running the disk defragmenter utility improves system performance. When the computer saves files, it fragments the files into pieces and saves the pieces in various locations on the hard drive. 5. Check PC for malware. Scan your PC whenever you are installing new software or injecting pen drive, hard drives, etc. to avoid viruses, spyware, adware, and other malicious programs that take up a lot of system resources, such as memory, hard drive, and processor. 6. Reboot or restart your PC regularly. Restart your PC once in a day and lock the computer whenever you step out of your desk. This practice can improve your computer's performance by flushing RAM, stopping memory leaks and fixing bugs. If your system gets slowed down, first do restart your system before going for further steps. 7. Reset your PC. You can change your laptop's performance and retain your PC's speed by resetting your PC. Unwanted temp files and visible files get deleted by resetting the laptop. 8. Deactivate the startup programs. Many apps in the computer can configure themselves to start working automatically during system on mode and continue to run in the background. However, if you don't use those apps on a daily basis, or you don't have a powerful device, they can waste valuable system resources, which can significantly slow down the experience. 9. Turn off visual effects. You should disable the visual effect to speed up your system performance. 10. Delete unnecessary files. Sometimes, the simplest way to speed up file and folder performance is to delete unnecessary files that are taking up space and cluttering your disk. As a result of regular use, your computers can slow down. To avoid getting frustrated, this 10 tips can help you to easily enhance your computer's performance. Hope this video would help you to speed up your PC.
Don't forget to like and subscribe this channel for more informative videos.